Breaking into real estate feels like trying to sip from a fire hose. No steady paycheck, no clients, and a mountain of things to learn overnight. If you've ever stared at your ceiling at 2 a.m. thinking, how the hell do I even start? You're in good company. The first 90 days are make or break. Agents who hit the ground running, build momentum faster, close deals sooner, and skip the trial and error phase that burns most rookies. Let's cut through the noise and talk about what actually matters when launching your real estate career. By the way, I'm Doug Smart, team leader at Smart Agent Alliance, a sponsor team with eXp Realty. We're known for giving agents more free tools, training, and support than anyone else in the business. Our team's growing fast because we focus on what works, no fluff. If you want the details, check us out at smartagentalliance.com. First things first, get a grip on the real estate world. Real estate isn't just selling houses, it's about picking a lane that fits your goals. Residential, commercial, luxury, investment properties, they all play by different rules. The agents who win long-term aren't generalists. They dominate a niche. Residential's fast-paced and steady. People always need a place to live. Commercial deals are bigger but take twice as long, with clients who care about square footage, not school districts. Luxury, massive commissions, but you'll need serious connections and brokerage backing to crack that market. Investment properties are pure math. Investors want ROI, not emotional appeals. Figure out where you will fit best before you start grinding. Guessing wastes time. Pick your battles, also known as your niche. Your success hinges on two questions. Who are you serving, and what do you specialize in? The sharper your focus, the easier it is to stand out. If you're in a city with a booming rental market, maybe investment properties are your jam. If suburban neighborhoods are exploding with your young families, first-time homebuyers might be your sweet spot. Look for gaps. Maybe investors in your area don't have an agent who understands cap rates, or retirees aren't getting help downsizing. Find that hole and own it. Write a business plan. Actually, guessing isn't a strategy. A business plan gives you a roadmap, so you're not just chasing shiny objects. Start by asking, what do I want to be for now? Who's already doing this well? And how can I do it better? How will I get clients? Social media, cold calls, referrals? Set income goals. How many deals do you want to close by the end of the year? Tools like Sisu, free for eXp agents, $250 a month otherwise, can help map this out. Without a plan, you're just another agent hoping for luck. Your network equals your net worth. No leads, no business, period. Start building relationships yesterday. Partner with mortgage brokers, home inspectors, and contractors. They'll send referrals if you're reliable. Show up to local events and real estate meetups. Find a mentor who's done what you want to do. Their advice will save you months of mistakes. Top agents don't wait for leads. They build systems, create them. Branding isn't optional. You're not Coca-Cola, but you still need a clear identity. Ditch generic names like Smith Realty. Go for something more memorable. Get a clean logo. It doesn't need to be fancy, just recognizable. Nail your USP. Why should clients pick you? Are you the negotiation shark, the condo guru, the TikTok agent who actually gets results? Keep everything consistent. Website, socials, business cards. If your branding feels overwhelming, we've got a free course for eXp agents who join our team. Marketing. Be everywhere. Real estate is a visibility game. If people don't know you exist, you're irrelevant. Build a simple website with listings, testimonials, and a contract form. eXp gives agents one for free. Post daily on social media, market updates, quick home tours, client wins. Invest in good photography. Shitty phone pics make listings look amateur. Start an email newsletter. Share market trends, tips for sellers, or a home of the week. We give our agents free landing pages to make this easy. Lastly is the money. Don't wing it. No steady paycheck means you're now a CFO. Budget for taxes. Set aside 25 to 30% of every paycheck. Marketing and slow months. Diversify. Get into rental referrals, revenue share programs like eXp's, or wholesale deals. Treat this like a business, not a side hustle, and it'll pay like one. Final word, if you want the shortcuts, free tools, training, and a community that's done this before, join eXp Realty and name Smart Agent Alliance as your sponsor. We'll hook you up with the systems to skip the rookie phase. Check out our videos below for more details, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.